Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Monroe Elementary School, home of the Bears in Madera, California, part of the Madera Unified School District. This is my second visit to campus. I was here last school year talking about bullying, looking at someone's heart first, the same way that you look at someone's heart, the same way that you look at your best friend, right, for their heart before anything else. And today we took it up a level. We talked about diversity and the need for human kindness, and that's why I'm standing outside this beautiful mural here at their school near the main entrance, because it says Monroe learning together forever. And you know, when you think about diversity, and that's our differences, could be on the outside or the inside of someone, you know, that's part of our true education, right, as well, that we're learning and growing, not just from what we see in the books or learn on the dry erase board in class, but we learn from each other, right, that all of us have something to offer. And if we were all the same, this world would definitely be very boring. But the fact that we're all different, you know, we have, you know, this worth inside of us that each of us are always trying to see, right? Not only in ourselves, it's important to be able to see ourselves for that, that we are special and very valuable, and each an important piece to this school's puzzle. But that diversity really brings life, right? And so I love this all around, you know, their school. They have different signs and different drawings and pictures trying to reinforce these concepts of respect, of love, of kindness. And their acronym here too is PAWS. You'll see it right here. And we really tried to focus in on the S of that acronym today, which is to show respect, right, to self and others. Because kindness, it's so important we show this, because yes, this world needs a lot more kindness for sure. But also when you think about it, you know, it's something where that if I show kindness to someone, it might not just be showing it to them. It could be anyone else that hears that kind word or, you know, sees that kind action. It might change their heart in a positive way too. So we know we have to be all in for this planet and trying to uplift others and not tear them down. And we start to heal this planet, you know, just one act of kindness at a time. That's all it takes. And it could be towards someone that we know, someone that we don't know. There was a story that I shared in all my assemblies today for the student programs. I'll be here for the parent program tonight talking about positivity. But for this focus today, you know, I just spoke on how just the idea that if we showed one act of kindness to someone that we don't really know that well, whether it's in our classroom, our same class, or our same grade, or a different grade, someone older, someone younger, a different staff member, a different teacher, that by the end of the school year, we could have technically shown an act of kindness to everyone, you know, at the school. And if we can think about it from that perspective, you know, it's pretty amazing. I mean, think about if every student here, every adult, you know, really chose kindness and just chose to show just one act of kindness every day, just one, at least, then how much better, you know, this climate, this culture would be. And that's at any school I visit. But there was so much love here today. So many students that said, Mr. Peace, you know, my heart's just bursting with kindness after you shared some of these stories that are very heartfelt, some of the powerful videos, the positive music as well. You know, it really did touch their heart. And so if they did receive that gift of kindness, it's up to them now to go and shine that light, right? To show that unconditional love, that love without any conditions, that we show that to everybody around us. And we keep trying to build on that, you know, in every moment. And that means we show a lot of kindness, but we also see people for this too. I bring this up in all my presentations, but all of us with the lines on our hand have the letter M. I traced one of mine here again, like it's in front of my shirt. It says miracle, that's what it stands for, and Monroe. Upside down W for worthy, that we're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love to give it and receive it, but we have to buy into this, because a lot of people I talk to all across the U.S., they sometimes forget this, have never been told that, they need a reminder, and so once we believe that for ourselves, then we can go and start to give that out to others. So thank you so much for touching my heart. You're all beautiful. Keep choosing that kindness and love that we know you can do. And, you know, just have a great rest of the school year. You know, just keep trying to put what we talked about into practice, these life lessons that we learn at a young age, and hopefully we'll keep making this world a lot better place. As always, though, make sure the subscribe button is pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation, and feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone tablet when you're watching this video to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.